So this is my box, and the reason that I purchased from bunnyrabbits.com or bunnyrabbit.com is because you could get things like this flip top lid for $4, so that if you have kids that are going to be doing it, they can do it easily. It's a nice sized piece of equipment, and hopefully it's a little bit tougher than what you can get at the pet food store. So what I ordered is water and feeders. The reason you want big feeders is that if you're going to be breeding them for meat, you want it to be big enough that it can hold a lot of food. And this one doesn't have to be, you don't have to cut your wire in order to get these on. So if you end up changing the size of your feeder, the hole won't fit if you had to cut your cage. And these ones come with covers, if I can find them. Here they are. So these come with covers that go there so that if it rains, you don't end up getting rain into your feed. And yes, they're stacked inside each other. So I'll show you how to use them later. These were the biggest though. These here. These covered the raw edges of your cage so that you're not getting cut, so the rabbits aren't getting cut. It just makes it a safer situation. It was the only place I could find them that I felt like they were a really good price. So bunnyrabbits.com, terrible name, looks like a good company. Dang it. That's how you want to be welcomed home, right?
To do the party,
So Mom said, how about if Dad takes us to go see a fun movie for your birthday? You're almost finished. There's no messing up.
We may have to just fold this over or cut, but I'm tempted just to fold it over because it's just a little bit long.
I don't think it will be once you get to this end.
You don't think so?
So switch now and come to this end.
Okay.
And see if, and just watch. Because yeah, that is,
I
at
gotta
least it's
finish
not
up
as
that
horrible.
side over there too. So.
Okay, so you want to make sure there's enough of a lip that it holds the structural integrity of the cage together still, but not so high that you're having to like hoist them out like this. So 3 up, yeah. And you want it about in the middle of the cage. And if you did want to turn it into 2 cages, it's a little late now and it would be a pain in the butt to get the wire in. I still think I think it's a perfectly sized cage at this point.
Okay, that's fine.
So that they have room to move. So, alright, so that should be just about perfect. Now what you're going to do, this would be the back, this would be the bottom, and then I'd even go this far of an overlap on this side because this is going to be the side with the hinge.